Bernard's Burger Steak. Saute the garlic. Next is ilalagay naman natin yung mushroom. Let's mix it and hintayin natin itong maluto. When it's cooked, i-separate muna natin yung mushroom. In the same pan, maglagay tayo ng butter. We're doing now the sauce of the burger steak. Next is we're gonna put some flour and gonna mix it. While mixing the flour, lalagay natin pa konti-konti ng tubig para hindi ito mamuo. May konti-konting buo-buo kasi I used integral flour, kaya mas okay sana pag yung clear lang talaga. Next is lalagyan naman natin ng chicken cubes. Add some oyster sauce. Some pepper. Lagyan na rin natin ng liquid seasoning para masarap. And soy sauce. Add the mushrooms. Once ready, ilagay na rin natin yung mga burger patties and we'll mix it with the sauce. So that's all, and thank you for watching, guys.